everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I just got back from a ladies' church function, and we got some pretty neat looking things here. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'm going to open them up with you, so stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to open here is this little stress relief kit. Now, as you can see, the theme was on managing stress, and we had several speakers. We had a therapist and a psychologist and some really cool people speak to us about life in general and how we can manage our stress. And anyway, let's see what we have in this package. Let me go ahead and pour everything out. And this was tied to the Ziploc baggie. So we have, first thing we have here is a rubber band to keep you flexible and bouncing back. And then we have an eraser to remind you that you can always start again. And then we have a rock to keep you grounded. And a piece of string to help you hold, it says to help you to hold it all together. And then we have a cotton ball to cushion any rough road ahead. And we all have rough roads. A starburst. Oh, good, and it's strawberry. I like strawberry. To give you a burst of energy when you need it. And there's a couple of hearts here. And this is to always remember that someone cares. We have tissues, which I need to put those in my purse, to dry your tears and to remind you that it's okay to cry. Excuse me. And a lifesaver to remind you that it's okay to ask for help. And I don't see anything about this ball, but I think it's one, it says it right here. Be happy, be bright, to be you. And you know what? It's a stress ball. You can squeeze it. So that's a pretty cool little kit. I'm going to put those in my purse. I'm going to eat this. I need to put that on a pencil. I'm going to eat this. This will be really nice on some little craft. And I wonder if I could tie a bow with this. I probably could. Anyway, let me move all this and let's see what's in here. So we have a little sticker that says follow your heart. It's just like a little cup with a lid on it. I'll just pour everything out here. And we have a little, what are these? A loofah? Is this a loofah? I really like, it smells really good. I'm sorry though, I'm allergic to fragrance. I wonder if it's got soap in it. It smells like, oh, you know what? No, I was thinking it was this. I love stuff like this, but unfortunately, I break out in rashes when I use anything like that. So hopefully I can get this wet, and if it's got any soap in it, it'll sponge out. Because I do like these. And this is a, what is this? I can't read it. The print is too small. I think it's a bath bomb, which I don't really take baths. I like to do showers, but they do have shower bombs. I wonder if I could use it as a shower bomb. I'll have to look and see if I can see what that says on it. And then it's a manicure time. And look, this is pretty blue. You know what? I know what I'm going to do with this. I've got a craft that I've been wanting to try, and I needed blue fingernail polish. So I got that. And this is a nice little thing. This is going in my purse. We also got these two things. We have a way to go pen, a little thumbs up here, and then this little journal. There is no one else on the earth just like you. Yep, we're all unique. And there's really nothing wrong with that. If we were all the same, it'd be a very boring world. Now, I have a few things that I wrote down that I took from the little function. They talked about creativity, ponder who you are and who you've always been. And as far as being offended, we choose whether to take that invitation or not. I really liked that because I think all of us do tend to get offended now and then, but maybe I should quit taking that invitation. Self-care is necessary, not selfish. Mindfulness and joy. Men are that they might have joy. The joy we feel has more to do with what we focus on. It's an attitude. I really, really like that. Observe, mandate, be intentional. Mindful wolf equals a werewolf. I remember that. Yeah. What's a mindful wolf? It's a werewolf. A-W-A-R-E. Do you get it? We live a short distance from our bodies. Some feel the rain, others just get wet. See the beauty, feel it, hear it, taste it, and really appreciate it. And then something else that was brought up was people are not an emptiness to fill, but a fullness to enjoy. I really like that. And when the psychiatrist talked to us, it was kind of a wake-up call to me. I'm really hard on myself. And he was talking about when you're hard on yourself, for instance, you have those feelings of I'm ugly or I'm no good. We need to change that perspective because we're only thinking of, I'm only thinking of me when I have negative thoughts about me. And we all need struggles to grow and to progress. And we're going to have problems. Some of us have financial problems, family problems, health problems. I could go on. There's all kinds of different problems. And how we deal with those can strengthen us. We need to be happy with learning how to deal with our problems. True happiness is spiritual. I really liked that. And he talked about how, we feel, we think, and our behavior. The way we feel is a slow change. That changes slowly. But with thinking and then changing our behavior, we can change things more quickly. And by changing for the good, we can actually help others. Anyway, I'm glad I had the opportunity to go to this function, connect with some people I hadn't seen for a while. It was a lot of fun. The luncheon was delicious. Company was wonderful. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.